Hello friends, welcome to TubeReview. In this video, I am going to show you the new phones coming out in a month of December 2019. So let's get started. The most awaited smartphone coming out December 2019, it is none other than Realme XT 730G. The Realme XT 730G is expected to be powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor and come with 4 GB of RAM. The processor of this phone is very good, especially for gaming. Other than this, it has 32MP selfie camera and all other features are same as Realme XT. The next phone is Oppo Reno S. This is the flagship phone by Oppo and this phone has Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 4000 mAh battery and 65 watts of fast charging support. The expected price of Oppo Reno S in India is 31,990 rupees and Oppo Reno is expected to be launched on December 12th. The Galaxy A51 is upgraded version of A50s and the Samsung upgrade camera section of this phone, and it will come with punch hole display, L-shaped quad camera setup, and the price of this phone is around 25,000. So you can buy this phone for excellent performance, great camera, ample battery and fast charging support. The next phone is Honor 9X. The phone comes with 6.59-inch display and powered by an octa-core Kirin 810 processor. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and the phone has pop-up selfie camera and expected launching price of this phone is 14,000. The next phone is Redmi K30 by Xiaomi and it will launch in December this year and will support 5G. This phone has 6.6-inch Full HD display, 120Hz screen refresh rate. Phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset. The Redmi K30 is an impressive mid-range smartphone that comes with a lot of flagship features. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.